Hello guys, welcome to Devenzi Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install Node on your system. If you're using if you want to run React on your laptop, you want to run React project, you're going to need Node. Node is more of a package that is a necessity on your laptop that you need to run. So let me just dive right into it without not wasting much time. All you need to do is to head to your browser, go to google.com, then you type Node or Node.js on the browser and search. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the perfect time to do. So this is it, that is the logo. So let me scroll down a little so that you see a little bit details about Node. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more video on it. I'll be making videos on React. So you see, Node is an open source server environment. Node.js is a cross-platform that runs on Windows, Linux, whichever operating system you're using. You can use Node. Node runs with JavaScript as backend. So Node is a really great tool. That is one of the most trending stuff we're using nowadays. So Node is a device data point for large network. Yada yada yada. So let's just move right into it, how to get it installed on our system. So all you need to do is to click on this Node.js, wait for it to load. So you can see now we have the LTL's version and we have the current version. The current version, don't install that. I don't advise you to do that, but all you need to do is to restore the LTL's, which is long-term service. So you have to install that. And so currently, as at the time of recording this video, is currently 18.12.1. So maybe whenever you're watching this video, you see the time is different. There's no issue. So all you need to do is to click on that button and start downloading. Let me show you on my browser here. That is downloading. So you can see it's almost through, about 20 something MB total. So let me just, after finish installing, let me just run it, show you guys the installation process. Then we'll continue. So it's taking a little bit much time. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel while we wait, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And we'll do more videos on internet tricks and tips, how to make money online, how to build projects like in web development, basically digital marketing, dropshipping and affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn all those stuff, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, and Merry Christmas to you in advance. So let me just go down to my Windows Explorer, go down to downloads. You can find the file downloaded there. So you go to recent, so you can see it up there. So all you need to do is to double click it, or you right click and click on run or open. It will bring out the installation windows. So I'll just click on open, right click and click on open. So wait for it to come up. You'll see a pop-up. Yeah, so that is the installation windows. Let me just close this. So all you need to do is to click on next, click on accept, click on next. You can research to read the terms and conditions. Most people tend not to read it, but I advise you read it. That's the installation part. Click on next, then you click on next again, click on next, and click on install. You wait for it. It will take a couple of time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and the installation will be ready. After the installation, we're going to confirm if it's installed on our system. So watch till the end if you want to see how to confirm if it's installed on your system. So let's just wait for it a little. Still loading. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, this is the best time to do that. I would really appreciate your subscription to my YouTube channel, sharing it, giving it thumbs ups, give it all the likes, destroy the like button, just destroy it, keep on pressing it. So I really appreciate your support. So as you can see, the installation is going, and in less than a second or two, installation will be through. So just wait for it to load and do the necessary installation for you. Then after that, we're going to test our Node to confirm if it's installed on our system. I'll be making a video on how to start a React package, how to install React on your laptop, how to start a project on React. After this, so you'll see that the top right corner has the next video to watch. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. Click on the notification bell. You'll be notified when I drop more interesting videos that might be of interest to you. Okay, installation is almost done. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, installation is done, so you just need to click is finished. Then you go to, you press window R if you are using the Windows system. Then you type cmd, you click on enter to bring out the command prompt for you. Then all you will need to do is to type window, then the stroke, then version. Sorry, I did mistake. You're supposed to be double, not single. Then that's it. You can see we are currently using the Node. We have installed the Node version 18.12.1, which is the version we downloaded online. So Node is currently running on our system. Whenever you see this, don't forget to like and share and subscribe this video with you. Subscribe and share this video with your friends. Merry Christmas in advance. Do have a lovely new year. Bye for now.